Yeah? Okay, let's see you do it. Do you want to? Yeah, reach up. There you go. Reach with your feet now. That's it. Good job. Reach again. Reach up. Yeah, it's high. I know. Oh my gosh, it's high. Oh. Strong feet. What'd you find there? Something? Pat, pat, pat. What'd you find? What is that? Did you find something? No. The ascent continues. What do you see, Lily? What do you see, huh? Hi. Hi. Hi, Happy. Do you want to continue your climb? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can do it. Where's the camera? Oh, dear. We can't video you then, huh? Look at that pretty face. No. All right, continue on. Continue on. Yeah? Up. Up. Mama. Oh, Maddie's going to show you how to do it. See? She says, just go like this. You have 4s. You're on 4s. She beat you. Oh. Oh. Good climbing, Aiden. Huh? Oopsie. You can do it. That was good, huh? That was like a little slide. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Carry on. It's work. It is work. Almost at the top. You're almost at the top. Everest, here I come. Oops, you can do it. There you go. Oh, hard work, yeah. You're at the top, look at you. You're there. Oh, it's hard work, but you're there. Yay, you made it to the top, Aiden. Yay! Are you proud? You made it to the top. Yeah. That was amazing. Look out, Maddie. There she goes. She's going to show you how to go down now. No, she's just going to sit. Oh, she has her toy. She has her toy. Okay. Yeah. Are you continuing on? Okay. Okay. I know, Maddie. I know. I know, Maddie. Maddie, leave it. Leave it. Good, leave it. Good girl. Boop. There you go. There she goes. Alrighty. Here she is again. She's going up. See, look, she says, look how easy it is. I'm not that much older than you, Aiden. It's a long ways up. It is. There's Maddie. She might drop that on you. I don't know. You gonna try? Okay, here we go. Oh. Here we go. See, she's showing you the way. Oh. I'm gonna have to get you some climbing shoes pretty soon. Yeah, see, Maddie says, see, just come on up here, lay down, I'll give you my toy. Yeah? Yeah? Uh-huh. Oh. Heh. Heh. You're so funny. You're so funny. Yeah, you are. You're a funny man. Okay, continue on. Yes, Maddie, he's coming. He's coming to get your toy. He's coming. Yeah. He's coming. He's coming. Yeah. Oh, now she's going down. That wasn't fair, was it? You want to go back down? Should we show you how to go down? Yes. Yeah, that's how you go down. You go down backward.